Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the one bedroom model at the Ashton. And by the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So let's go see the bedroom. We've already seen the really pretty kitchen, living room. Let's see the bedroom. So this is the Ashton bedroom. This is their model. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna walk in and really cool. There's a king bed. There's plenty of space here. It's just gorgeous. Love the space that's here. Love all of the, gosh, the way this looks. It's really cool. It's got probably 11 or 12 feet ceilings. Super pretty. This is over here, the bathrooms. The bathroom is very nice. You can see the lighted mirrors that are here. It is dual sink. It's very classy, really nice flooring. And then you got a beautiful walk-in shower that's here too. So that walk-in is phenomenal. You do have a huge tub here too. Wow, that would be a great, 1 or 2 hour stress reliever right there, right? Pretty awesome. You also do have a beautiful closet. It's very big. There is a lot of storage. It's huge walk-in. And they've got alpha shelving in here, so you can kind of adjust. You can, adjust this easily and move it up or down. So really nice closet. Hey, that's the bedroom area. It's very cool. And then it leads back here into, if we just kind of keep walking here, right into the living room. Really cool apartment. It's got a great feel. This would be a perfect place to start your Dallas adventure. If you're ready to tour this, you can send me a text right away. My number is below. Just send me a text and say, hey, I'd like to do a virtual tour, or I'd like to do a live in-person tour. Either one. If you're in town, we can also set that up really quick. Or if you're in Europe and you're seeing this maybe at 10 p.m., doesn't matter. Send me a text. We can set up a virtual tour anytime the next day and take care of you. I look forward to hearing from you. We've got a free service that helps you find your perfect Dallas apartment, and so touring is included in that service. Okay, we're gonna now see some amenities here at the Ashton. Let's go do that right now.